In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Apps over here. Now you can finally hit App Twin and tap on gray switcher next to one of your available apps you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Wait. And when you see that switcher is blue, go back. So now when I check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to get rid of this clone, you can hold it, wait for the pop-up and hit delete. Then confirm your choice in this one, or go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher next to your app. Then hit close to uninstall it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!